Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm for the Boysenberry Festival, and I went to the Gormet Churro Factory and got their berry churro waffle sandwich. So they look like little waffles, but I think they're made with a churro batter, and they sprinkle them with the cinnamon sugar. And it looks like there's looks like strawberry jam. Yeah, it tastes like strawberry jam, and this tastes like that might be boysenberry cream cheese on the inside, and then there's whipped cream on top. So let's cut us a piece out of here. So that's what it looks like. So this is pretty good, actually. The waffles are nice and crispy, and they have lots of cinnamon sugar on them, which is very nice. And then you taste the jam and the cream cheese stuff. So yeah, if you want a sweet treat, going a little forgetful here, you can go to the Churro Factory and get this. I forgot how much it was. It was 8 something. I'll go back and look at the price, and then we'll put it on the screen. But yeah, and then you can get your pass holder discount if you have a season pass. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. I like it. So I will give it, I think I'll give it an A. It's very tasty. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.